In this video, we are gonna to talk about a typical pulley question, which you should be familiar with if you study A-level maths or physics. So, we got two masses on each side of a pulley, and we need to find the acceleration of the system. While the textbook is providing you with a well-structured working process for us to learn, it doesn't explain what the answer means. To most of us, the answer is just nothing more than a numerical value. But before revealing the secret, let's build up some prior knowledge. To start with, let's consider a pulley. We know that the force on the both ends of the string should be the same if the string is inextensible and taut. But what if the string is no longer in a vertical position and is having an angle with the vertical? We know that the string is inextensible, so of course, the force on the both ends should be equal. This is still valid even if the angle gets greater, because we know that the string is always inextensible and taut. So we can keep increasing the angle until the string becomes a straight line. And, again, the forces are still equal. Now, let's consider another type of question. We have two blocks of masses smaller m and bigger m. They are on a frictionless ground, and a force F is exerting on the greater mass. To calculate the acceleration of the system, we just need to take the blocks as an entity. So, the acceleration here will just be the total force divided by the total mass. Now, let's just move back to a pulley. We know that the external forces acting on both blocks are their weight. And we are gonna to ignore the tension because it is a force within the system. Forget that we are working on a pulley question, and let's now increase the angles until the system becomes a straight line. We can clearly see that the external forces are still their weights, except that they are acting in the horizontal and opposite directions. To find the acceleration, we just need to find the total force divided by the total mass. Going back to a pulley, we now see that the answer is nothing more than Newton's second law, which is just acceleration equals to external force over total mass.